When it comes to deep or fluctuating water at your shoreline, you can't go wrong with the premium flotation and superior stability of the floating FTS9. ShoreMaster's floating FTS9 automatically adjusts to your changing water levels and provides superior stability in an attractive floating dock system. You'll find superior strength in the FTS9's classic 9-inch truss sides and welded aluminum frame. Premium dock flotation adds to the remarkable stability, durability, and to the classic good looks of the FTS9's solid truss frame. Choose from ShoreMaster's 9 premium decking options to complete the look of your floating FTS9. Then quickly and easily add the comfort and convenience of ShoreMaster's dock accessories to your FTS9 with the Infinity Track accessory system, which makes it easy to install and move accessories without the use of tools. The modular design of the FTS9 allows you to create a safe and attractive floating dock system that will provide you with years of enjoyment.